Now, Mr. Peter Psquare, that's Peter Okoye, came online and he said he never made any petition against his brothers. He never made any petition against his brothers. And he said we should go ahead and show him anywhere he made any petition against Paul or against Jude Okoye. Now, I've been seeing different narratives online in the sense of people saying, oh, you claim you did not make any petition against Mr. Peter, against your brothers. Okay, how about this? And this is the document they are talking about. Now, I took a look at this document, and what I can see is a statement that was made at the EFCC. Now, it's very important you know this. Now, when you make a petition, right, or you write a petition, when you write the petition, after the petition, you will be invited by the EFCC or the Nigerian police, regardless of, depending on the agency, in which you wrote your petition. So you sent your petition. So, you will be invited. When you are invited, you will be asked to make a statement. That statement is not the petition. That statement is you explaining yourself why you wrote this petition, why you feel an offense has been committed. And hope you know that an offense is not committed against a person. An offense is committed against the state. So it may be Mr. P that was scammed, in this scenario, or funds were diverted. But that crime is against the state, not even against Mr. P. That is why he is a witness in his own case. He is a witness. If you look at the process of court, you won't see Mr. Peter Okoye, no. You will see that the Commissioner of Police, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, versus Northside Music. And let me explain this, right? There is a difference between a company and an individual. If you write a petition and the name you place on that petition is Northside Entertainment, Northside Music, any of them, but Northside something limited, you are not writing a petition against a person. You are writing a petition against a company. And by law, a company is a legal entity that can stand on its own. A company is a legal entity that can stand on its own. So he did not write any petition against anybody. He wrote a petition against the company. And that is what it is. That is what it is. Now, who runs a company? Human beings run company. So there is no way you can write a petition against a company, and when you are writing your statement, you will not write that the company scam you. Who are the directors of that company? Who are the shareholders of that company? Who are the agents of that company? That is what you look at. So far, for me, he has done nothing wrong. He has complied with the law, and indeed, there is no petition written against Paul Okoye and Jude Okoye. The only petition you find there is the petition that was written against Northside Music or Northside Incorporation or any Northside Share Limited. That's the only thing you have found. So this is just to educate the public. There's a difference between an individual and a company. And definitely when you write a petition, you also have to write a statement. Did you gain value? Share this video to your friends so they can learn from it. Like and keep following for more legal tips. Thank you.